Hi, viewers. Imagine farming without relying on chemicals, boosting yields naturally, and even getting a head start on those pesky pests. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, hold on to your seeds, because electroculture farming might be the future of agriculture. In this video, we'll explore this revolutionary method and see if it can truly unlock a greener tomorrow. Buckle up and get ready to be shocked in a good way by the potential of electroculture. Understanding electroculture farming. Have you ever wondered if whispering sweet nothings could actually help your plants grow bigger and stronger? Well, electroculture farming isn't quite that personal, but it does involve a surprising source of potential plant power: electricity. This isn't your grandpa's way of shocking weeds into submission. Electroculture uses subtle electrical currents or fields to create an environment that supercharges your crops. Imagine it like giving your plants a tiny jolt of energy, just enough to wake them up and get them growing at their full potential. But how exactly does this electrical trickery translate into bigger, better harvests? That's what we'll be diving into next. The science behind electroculture. Plants are pretty amazing machines, constantly using sunlight, water, and nutrients to fuel their growth. But what if there was a hidden force influencing them on a deeper level? That's the idea behind electroculture. Scientists believe that weak electrical currents in fields can influence a plant's internal processes. Imagine tiny electrical highways within the plant, carrying essential nutrients and minerals faster and more efficiently. Some researchers even suggest electroculture might help plants better absorb sunlight, the ultimate source of their power. Now, this isn't some woo-woo magic trick. There's actual science involved. Studies have shown that electrical stimulation can increase the movement of ions within plants, which are like the tiny messengers carrying nutrients around. This could potentially lead to faster growth, stronger immunity, and even improved crop quality. But is the science strong enough to support the hype? We'll explore some groundbreaking research and see if electroculture can truly live up to its electrifying potential in the next section. Electroculture's impact on crops. Imagine a world where your tomatoes practically burst with flavor, your peppers pack a spicy punch, and your veggies grow like they're on steroids. That's the potential promise of electroculture. Studies suggest that electrostimulated crops might experience a range of benefits. Supercharged growth. The increased flow of ions within plants could lead to faster growth rates, giving you bumper harvests in less time. Enhanced nutrition. Electroculture might improve the uptake of essential nutrients, leading to tastier, more nutritious fruits and vegetables. Boosted immunity. Some research suggests electroculture can strengthen a plant's natural defenses, helping them fight off pests and diseases with minimal intervention. But wait, there's more. Electroculture might even reduce reliance on fertilizers. With improved nutrient uptake, farmers might need fewer chemical fertilizers, leading to a more sustainable agricultural approach. Improved drought tolerance. Electroculture could potentially help plants utilize water more efficiently, making them more resilient during dry spells. Of course, these are all potential benefits, and the science is still developing. But the idea of a natural electricity-powered boost for our crops is certainly an exciting prospect. In the next section, we'll investigate some recent breakthroughs in electroculture research to see if this farming method is truly ready to shock the world. Recent advancements in electroculture. Remember that story about supercharging plants with electricity? Well, buckle up because scientists are making some real progress in this field. One recent study from China caught everyone's attention. Researchers used a special device called a turbo-electric NAND generator to create an electric field around pea plants. The results? The electrified peas germinated faster and even produced a higher yield compared to their non-electrified counterparts. This is just one example, but it highlights the exciting potential of electroculture. Researchers are exploring different methods for applying electrical currents and fields, and the results are promising. But is electroculture ready to take over our farms just yet? Not quite. More research is needed to understand the long-term effects and optimize the application of electroculture for different crops and environments. In the next section, we'll explore the potential future of electroculture farming and see if it can truly become a game changer for sustainable agriculture. The future of electroculture farming. Imagine a world where farms are buzzing with electrical energy, not the roar of tractors. That's the potential future of electroculture farming. With its promise of increased yields, reduced reliance on chemicals, and even improved drought tolerance, electroculture could be a game changer for sustainable agriculture. But what exactly does the future hold for this electrifying technology? Here's a glimpse. Refined techniques. As research progresses, scientists will likely develop more efficient and targeted methods of applying electroculture to different crops. Sustainable power sources. Imagine solar panels powering electroculture systems, creating a truly eco-friendly approach to farming. Wider adoption. If proven effective across various crops and regions, electroculture could become a mainstream agricultural practice. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Optimizing costs, ensuring long-term effectiveness, and addressing any potential environmental impacts are all important considerations. But the potential benefits are undeniable. Electroculture farming could be the key to unlocking a greener tomorrow, with healthier crops, a lighter environmental footprint, and a more sustainable future for our food system. So, keep an eye on this electrifying technology. It might just shock the world in the best way possible. So, is electroculture farming science fiction or the future of agriculture? The answer, like many things in science, is it's complicated. But the potential for this method is undeniable. We've explored the exciting possibilities from supercharged growth to a lighter environmental footprint. While more research is needed, electroculture holds the promise of a greener tomorrow for our plates and our planet. What do you think? Could electroculture be the next big thing in farming? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this electrifying exploration of electroculture, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, IcanGardening, for more fascinating dives into the world of sustainable agriculture.